Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys basically how you can find, where you can find your TikTok balance. So go to your profile page and select the three lines here again, and as you can see there is a balance tab, and you're just going to select it, and it's going to basically show how much money you have, either from live, like TikTok, because like people give you coins and stuff. And yeah, that's how you can view it. You can view it even a little bit more by pressing the view button here, and you can view your TikTok balance, your accumulated diamonds, and your IDR and stuff like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.